Welcome to the BoldSign eSignature tutorial. This video will guide you only on how to manage existing bulk send documents efficiently. If you want to learn how to bulk send documents, a separate tutorial is available for you to refer to. Bulk sending documents means you send them to multiple people simultaneously for electronic signatures. It's a huge time saver, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Plus, it keeps everything organized in one place, so you can easily track who has signed what. Let's see how to manage bulk send documents. First, I log into my BoldSign account and click the bulk send option. I then select my bulk send, which directs me to my bulk send page. This is a list of all the bulk sends. You can see the details of the bulk sends like title, document progress, and date created. In the document progress column, there is a circular progress bar with color indicators. When I hover over it, a drop-down list is shown, with each color representing a different status for the documents. In this case, the first bulk send I created is represented by the color gray, indicating that the document has not been signed yet. For the next one, the documents are half completed, and 2 recipients are yet to sign the document. I have noticed that the details are not correct for the remaining 2 signers, so I am going to revoke the half-completed documents. This way, I can prevent a bulk send from being signed further. To do this, I hover over the specific bulk send and click on the context menu, which then shows a list of options. From it, I choose Revoke. A pop-up appears. I type in the reason as mistakes in details and click the Yes, Revoke button to complete the process. Only the 2 documents will be revoked. When a bulk send is fully completed, I need to download the CSV file to see the signer's data. To do that, I click the context menu of the completed bulk send, where I can see the Export CSV file option. I click and export the CSV file to my local computer. I could also delete the bulk send using the context menu. When a bulk send is deleted, it is stored in the trash section for 30 days, from where you can choose to restore or permanently delete it. Only bulk sends in revoked, complete, and expired states can be deleted. In a case where there are 100 bulk sends created and you want to locate one, you can use the search bar, typing in the title of the bulk send. In this bulk send, some recipients have not yet signed the document, and the expiration time is almost up. To get the specific details of those who have not signed the document, I click on the bulk send, which then directs me to the recipient's page. It is similar to the My Documents page. From here, I can send reminders to the recipients by clicking on the reminder icon, as well as download the already signed documents. This can also be done by clicking on the context menu. Using the list of options displayed, I can add tags, view, download, clone the document, send reminders, and revoke the document. In a list of many recipients, you can easily locate the one you require using the search bar or the advanced filter option. The option to export a CSV file is also available at the top of this page when you click the More Options button. That is all for managing bulk send documents. If you found this video useful, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to our channel for more BoldSign tutorial videos.